We just terminated this first statement, the statement on line 1, by using a semicolon. So now everything that comes after that is treated as a new query. And of course you can't just begin a query with where, so we've got some syntax highlighting saying that line 2 has a problem. But we can actually comment this out. So let's do this. Dash dash, everything goes green. Now order is considered the next query. Let's go and comment that as well. And now we've actually got a valid query. So I can run this again. And of course I'm just getting one result. So the point is here, I've actually combined two things. I've terminated the statement with a semicolon, and I've commented out both line 2 and line 3. So they're ignored. Now when we build SQL injection attacks, we're going to use statement termination and comment syntax in order to prematurely end queries and ignore anything that comes after our malicious payload that we're going to pass in via the app. The final thing I'll show you here is that we can use the dash dash syntax to comment one line, but we can also use the /* syntax to comment multiple lines. It looks like this. And I'll delete this one and close off the multi-line comment. And we can still run this and it works just fine. So two ways of implementing comments. And in fact, all of this could also be on one line. Doesn't matter, it's commented out. Everything between that /* open and / close syntax gets ignored by the parser. So again, as we start mounting attacks, we're going to use this syntax to ignore parts of the SQL query that we don't want going to the database. And in fact, we're going to use it to start ignoring parts of the original query the web application was making, such that we can inject our own malicious query and get data out of the system. So that's some query basics. Let's move on and start talking about the delineation between queries and data.